Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody can't figure out how to join the curves of this item. I don't understand this yellow part, how they got that. But anyway, if we select everything, there's two objects. Grab the top part and move it off. There's the two objects. So these are actually kind of grouped together. But there are two lines that there's too many lines right there. So if we back it up, they're overlapping. You could join all the curves, but there's really no need to. If they're going to cut this all out, I would just use the Smart Fill tool. We'll set it on red and we'll fill that all in. And then when we do that, we can move this over here and we can left click, right click and make it a cut line. Make sure it's a hairline if they're going to cut it out, which I think they are. But now you can see it is a curve on layer one and there are no double lines. We can take the shape tool and move this and it's all one line, where if we take the original and do the same thing, and I think the reason they were having trouble joining is because there's that extra line. And, you know, if I could have clicked on it and you could actually move that line independently. So that's shouldn't really affect the cutting. I'm real curious why this yellow is just filled into here. Well, matter of fact, there's some lines missing in there, where this one's complete. Well, that's two different looking things. Let's take away the Smart Fill by right clicking. Yeah, those two lines, maybe I'm confused, but I don't understand this part. Maybe they'll write back. But you can always use the Smart Fill tool. The Smart Fill tool basically makes a new object. So I've got 4 lines here. I'll use the if we look at this, I've got 4 objects. Use the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then if I left click, right click, those are all individual lines now, but they're all joined. I didn't have to join them. So that's the great advantage of the Smart Fill tool. So maybe if I don't understand, maybe she'll give me more information. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.